story short, they do it more efficiently, and they know exactly how to make a dollar go further. And government just doesn't know how to do that. As a matter of fact, government is pro at wasting your money. 281-558-5738, 281-558-KSCB, a bit distracted. Apparently Facebook has a problem with my joke. Facebook has a problem. The Democrat Party didn't create the Ku Klux Klan.
Last night, I actually heard the words. Can I brush my teeth now, Mom? Since we started using new Burt's Bees toothpaste, my kids are like, bring on the brushing. Because Burt's Bees tastes awesome. It sure does. And I'm loving it because it cleans teeth and freshens breath. And it only has the ingredients I want in a toothpaste.
Wow.
Mom really cares about that stuff. Come here, kiddo. Let's brush your teeth. Tap now to shop new Burt's Bees toothpaste. For a smile, it's a true force of nature.
Oh my heck.
Jesus Christ.
Ooh, that's cool. Gosh. Fucking hell. Fuck you. God damn it.
The best feature of the new 3DS was the eye tracking 3D stabilization.
Oh, God, yeah.
Like that actually made a bigger difference than anything I saw. I didn't turn that off. Really? Oh, it worked really well for me.
Right.
Yeah, I was using 2D anyway. I could like pivot the 3DS and have it not break the 3D.
Yeah. You have to turn the 3D on first to do anything.
Well, yeah, right. This is
90 west ramp, then keep left. Keep left. Continue on I-90 west for a half mile.
Can we listen to this?
I'm just kidding. I don't like this light because you can't see.
Okay.
Oh my god! Oh my god, what an asshole!
Oh my god.
God.
He literally stopped!
Yeah, he did stop.
On purpose!
Probably because he started honking at him.
Yeah, because
but
of the
he's
fucking.
wrong.
No, yeah.
In the role of finding politics.
Are you saying you kind of don't trust some of your fellow Democrats, but they'll need to be publicly pressured?
I think that, well, I don't think trust is the right word for it, but I do think that when there's a wide spectrum of debate on an issue, that is where the public plays a role. And where I do have trust is in my colleagues' capacity to change and evolve and be adaptable and listen to their constituents.
The fuck are you doing? You dumb cunt.
Stupid bitch. Oh my fucking god, I love him.
What the fuck? Oh my god!
Hey, people letter. Light went green.
Okay, that's...
Still texting.
Texting!
Fucking hell.
Oh.
Oh, you fucking stupid bitch.
Why is this car stopped? It's a green fucking light.
Whoa, fuck, whoa! Fucking hell! What are you doing? Fucking retard! Where are you going, you fucking idiot?
Чем дальше все это дело?
Дальше с чем он забрал все это ПТС, вот, дал нам ксерокопию, говорит, ждите, ожидайте, вам позвонит участковый.
Доступ в интернет возобновлен. Километров в час.
Ёб твою ж мать!
Дебил, блядь.
Ну, блядь, вы придурки или как?
Физическую лицу предоставляется скидка на смартфон в размере стоимости оплаченных услуг связи по тарифному плану онлайн на 12 месяцев. Иммунитету бороться с инфекцией. Иммудон активирует иммунные клетки горла и помогает быстрее справиться с симптомами. Иммудон – механизм здорового горла.
Ни хрена себе. Это он, блин, чуть в нас не влетел.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.